So, festivals just wrapped up, and I'm guessing you had an amazing time. Great foods, late night fun, and celebration with your families and friends. But now you are probably feeling completely drained, struggling with your energy, and wondering how to get back to your normal self. Well, here is the good news. You don't just have to bounce back, but you can actually bounce back stronger. Today, I am going to share science based strategies around three key areas, that is, nutrition, sleep, and mindset, which will help you and recover faster and come back even better than before. And these are not some complicated theories, these are just some simple techniques that you can start with today itself practically. So, let's quickly dive into it. Hi, I'm Aditi. I'm certified in food and nutrition and currently pursuing masters in nutrition science. My goal? Well, it is to make people believe that health should be their topmost priority, which can be achieved through simple lifestyle changes in order to ensure overall wellness. So, let's start with nutrition because what you eat right now will decide how quickly are you going to recover. So, during festivals, we eat a lot of heavy rich foods and we maybe skip some regular healthy foods. But now your body is actually craving for those real nutrients in order to repair and restore itself. Recent research suggests that adequate amount of protein and energy are completely essential for your metabolic recovery and for your muscle repair as well. Protein is your recovery superpower. So try to aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein in each of your meals. You can go for green yogurt, pulses, lentils, paneer, tofu, fatty fish, and eggs as well. You can also add some superfoods into your diet because they are scientifically proven can speed up your recovery. So, you can go for foods like berries, green leafy vegetables, ginger, turmeric, fresh fruits like bananas, apples, nuts like almonds, and seeds like chia seeds. Do add some natural electrolytes like lemon water, coconut water, and foods that are highly rich in water. Aim for at least 2 liters of water daily if you want to feel completely energized and if you want to enhance your recovery as well. Now, let's talk about sleep because this is where the real magic happens. So, sleep is not just rest. It's when our body does all the heavy lifting of repair and restoration. During deep sleep, our body releases growth hormone. Our body repairs all the cells and tissues. It consolidates our memories and rebalances our entire system. Trust me, that's a lot of things. Research shows that sleep debt is real and your body actually needs time to rest and recover. So, please give yourself permission to get extra sleep. Try to sleep 1 to 2 hours more than usual if possible. And if you want, then you can also take 20 to 30 minutes of afternoon nap and don't feel guilty about it because you are giving your body extra time and rest, which is really crucial for your recovery. Another thing that you can do is rebuild your circadian rhythm. Try to sleep and wake up at the same time every single day. Spend some time around 15 minutes in the nature and Prepare a proper bedtime routine in order to improvise your sleep quality. You can also do things that you love and enjoy the most, like listening to your favorite music, reading books, doing meditation, and practicing deep breathing exercises if you want to speed up your recovery. Finally, let's talk about the most underrated recovery tool, that is your mindset. Do you know that people who think that they can learn and change accordingly are more stronger and can get over failures more faster? If you will keep thinking and regretting about those unhealthy foods that you ate and the poor lifestyle that you were leading during the festivals, then it will keep worsening your recovery speed, and that is definitely not gonna work for you. This is not about just positive thinking, it's about how you frame your recovery journey. Instead of thinking, oh, I feel terrible, I need to get back to normal, try this. My body worked really hard during the festivals, and now I need to take care of it and come back even stronger. This is my opportunity to learn new healthy habits and apply them. See the difference? One feels like punishment and the other feels like actual self care. So, start with small changes, make a goal, and try to achieve it. You can write things that you are actually grateful for, and you can also practice positive affirmations like I am getting stronger and energized day by day. This will train your brain to see challenges as opportunities, not as obstacles, and this is perfectly amazing for your body's recovery. Alright, let's wrap this up. You celebrated really hard during the festivals and you deserved every single moment of it. But now you need to give your body and your mind the care that they deserve. You are not just recovering, you are actually building a stronger, healthier, more resilient version of yourself. So, start with just one thing from each categories that I have mentioned, that is nutrition, sleep and mindset today itself, because as we all know, small changes can result in bigger things. Just remember, don't curse yourself if you did not sleep well during festivals, you ate a lot of unhealthy foods, or you did not take care of your health, because now is the good time to optimize your sleep quality, eating foods that are actually healthy for you, and to take care of yourself by changing your mindset into positive thinking. So, start today itself and make yourself happy and healthy. Do let me know in the comment section which of these healthy habits are you going to try in order to enhance your recovery after enjoying your festivals. And if you found this video useful, then do like this video and share it with your families and friends so that they can also add healthy lifestyle changes into their daily routine after enjoying their festivals. If you want more such videos, then do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to be updated. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace out and remember, wellness over everything. Thanks for watching.